Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Iris KashFlow account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add one customer into your KashFlow account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to manually add one customer into your Iris KashFlow account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you meet people naturally in the wild and you want to go ahead and manually add them into your KashFlow account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Iris KashFlow dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Iris KashFlow account, and this is the home screen. Here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and manually add just one customer, not uploading a list, you're going to click on Sales up here on the top center. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu and you want to click on Customers. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the customers you have in your Iris KashFlow account. You can see this is a test account. And to manually add one customer, up here on the top right, you're going to click on this blue Add Customer button. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and enter in the name of your customer. You can enter a code for your customer and then the country. So the code is really your choice. They let you know right here. It can be a quick way to identify your customers. So this could be a customer number that includes letters or numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this information in off screen. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and choose, after entering the details, you would like to create a sales invoice, a quote, add another customer, or return to your list of customers, which is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to click on create. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you here to their profile screen. So you can go ahead and enter in as much information about that customer. You can add their postal code, their address, their contact information right here. You can add notes here down at the bottom by clicking Add Notes. So all of this is completely optional. However, you definitely want to try to fill this out as much as possible, because there will be a time when you're dealing with this customer and maybe you forgot some little bit of information or something that's going to help convert it into a sale. But once you've entered in all the information, go ahead and click here, Update Details. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see we've added a new customer manually into our Iris KashFlow account. So now if we want to create an invoice for them or create a quote for them, it's going to be easy because they are in our customer list. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to manually add one customer into your Iris KashFlow account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.